Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet strawberries. This is my interpretation of a Drops Design pattern. This video is not affiliated with or sponsored by Drops Design. For more information, please check out the drop-down description box below or visit my website jonnamartinez.com. Thanks for watching! Now let's get started. For materials, you will need any worsted weight yarn. Here I have a pink for the strawberry, a green for the top, and yellow for the seeds. You will also need a G 4.25mm crochet hook, or a smaller hook to make your stitches nice and small, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle to weave in ends, and a small amount of fiber fill stuffing. To begin, create a magic circle. For me, I just like to create a large open knot. Now grab your working yarn and chain 1. From here, place 4 single crochet into your magic circle. Now pull the tail of the magic circle to close the end of your strawberry. Round 2. For this round, we're going to place 2 single crochet into each one of our previous single crochets. We should have a total of 8 stitches. Round 3. Round 3, we're going to be placing a single crochet into the first stitch, and now place your stitch marker into this stitch. Now increase into your next stitch. 2 single crochet into the same stitch. We're going to repeat this all the way around. Single crochet into your first stitch and increase into your second stitch. 2 single crochet into the same stitch. At the very end of the round, you should end on an increase. You should have 12 single crochet at the end of round 3. Round 4. 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Be sure to place your stitch marker back into the first stitch. Increase into your third stitch. Now we're just going to repeat this all the way around. 1 single crochet into your next 2 stitches. Increase into your third stitch. At the end of this round, you should have 16 single crochet. Here is my work at the end of round 4. You can press down inside the center a little bit so it can start to form a little cone shape. Round 5. Place 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way around. Be sure to replace your stitch marker. Round 6. Single crochet into your first 3 stitches. Be sure to replace your stitch marker. Increase into your 4th stitch. Going to repeat this all the way around. You should have 20 single crochet. And once I come to the end again, I will meet back up. Round 7. Place 1 single crochet into each of the 20 stitches all the way around. Round 8. Place 1 single crochet into your first 4 stitches. Increase into your 5th stitch. Repeat all the way around, and when you are finished with round 8, you should have 24 single crochet. Round 9 and 10. Place 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way around. Be sure to replace your stitch marker for each round. At the end of rounds 9 and 10, this is how my strawberry is looking. Round 11. Single crochet into your first 2 stitches. Then decrease the following 2 stitches. We're going to repeat this all the way around. You should end row 11 on a decrease, and you should have 18 single crochet. Round 12. Single crochet into your first stitch. Single crochet 2 together your next 2 stitches. Then we're going to repeat this all the way around. At the end of round 12, you will have 12 single crochet. Round 13. Single crochet 2 together all the way around. You should have 6 single crochet at the end of this round. At the end of round 13, cut a nice long tail. Now take a small amount of polyfill and fill your strawberry. It is best to use small pieces of stuffing and be sure not to overfill your strawberry. Create a slip knot of your choice and chain 48. Once you have chained 48, slip stitch to your first chain to form a ring. Now single crochet into this first chain. Skip 5 chains and into your 6th chain single crochet. Then you're going to repeat this until you don't have any chain left. Single crochet into each one of these single crochets that we just made. Continue all the way around. I have 8 single crochet. Single crochet 2 together all the way around. When you're finished, you should have 4 single crochet. From here, cut a nice long tail and pull the tail through the last loop on your hook. Now, using your yarn needle, attach to your strawberry. Be sure to weave in all your ends. Again, using your yarn needle and a long piece of yarn, I'm going to stitch in some seeds for the strawberry. Be sure your stitches are nice and loose so the seeds show up nicely. Well, that is all for this tutorial. Be sure to check out the drop-down description box below for more information, or you can visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial.